Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're diving into how to show your Instagram activity status on your PC with the latest update. This feature allows your friends to see when you're online, enhancing your interaction on the platform. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your browser and navigate to the Instagram website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, look at the left side of the screen where you'll find a menu. Next, click on the More icon located at the bottom of that menu. This will expand additional options for you to choose from. After that, select Settings from the list that appears. This will take you to a new page where you can customize various aspects of your Instagram experience. Now, look for the section titled Messages and Story Replies. Click on this option to proceed. Here, you will find settings related to how others can interact with you on Instagram. The next step is to locate Show Activity Status. This setting determines whether your followers can see when you're active on Instagram. Click on it to access the toggle switch. Finally, enable Show Activity Status by toggling it on. This simple action will allow others to see when you're online or when you were last active. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled your activity status on Instagram using your PC. Now your friends can easily see when you're available for chats or interactions. If you ever decide to change this setting again, just follow these same steps and toggle it off. Thank you for joining me today. Enjoy connecting with your friends on Instagram and make the most out of this social platform.